Welcome to Using Credo Reference. Need background information or quick definitions? Credo Reference is a great place to start your research. To access Credo Reference, start at the LPC Library homepage, click Databases, then choose Credo Reference. If you are off campus, you'll need to log in with your MyPortal credentials before the database opens. Credo pulls from hundreds of encyclopedias and dictionaries, perfect for building your topic, exploring ideas, or writing a background section. Type your topic and hit search. Since Credo's focus is background information, keep your search broad. Each result shows a title, source, excerpt, and word count. Longer entries in the thousands offer more depth, shorter ones are more for definitions. You'll also see suggested keywords to help shape your research. To the right, check out the mind map for brainstorming and the filters to refine your results. Click any entry to read. Notice the Save, Share, and Read Aloud tools at the top. Then use the Citation tool to copy a citation or export it directly to Noodle Tools. On the right, use related searches and search other sites to explore the same topic in other LPC databases. Need help? Just ask a librarian. We're here to help.